there's a very unique feature in whitsonPVT which lets you actually keep track of fluids that are in storage currently in your laboratory. Now, you might say, well, why do we care about this? Well, in fact, a lot of companies are spending a lot of money storing samples that they actually don't need to store. And a good cost saving tip is to just digitize and track all of the samples that you currently have in storage so that you at least have an overview of how much you're spending every single year on samples in storage, and potentially also linking those to PVT experimental data and PVT samples so that you can keep track of whether or not that fluid that you have sampled and is being stored has PVT data attached to it already. So if we take an example, we can go to the vulva data set, and using the region overview page, we can go to the fluid storage summary here or navigate to it on the left side panel, and we can click on this button here, and what you're going to see is that we have one MDT bottle here that currently has some PVT experimental data from it. It's telling you how much it's costing you per year for the sample, and that's both on the lease cost and on the storage cost. Then if you look at it's called PVT experiments here, you can see when it was sampled. You can see that it's a pressurized sample, and if you hover over here, you can see the pressure and temperature that it's being maintained at, and you can see that it's currently in storage and that it's been identified as having a good quality.